Hey guys, I welcome you all to another beautiful and interesting video of Igbo soup. Today we are making OHA soup. OHA is a very delicious soup, you know. So without saying much, let's go to the kitchen and start cooking. Here are the ingredients displayed for this delicious soup. We are making oha as I mentioned earlier, and here is the vegetable, how it looks like. I have already shredded it. Here I have palm oil. Here I have dried fish. Here is cocoyam. This is the thickener I'm going to use for this soup. You can use ache or 8 or 4, but I'm going to cook it and pound it later. Here I have crayfish. I have smoked banla fish. I have stockfish. I have seasonings, salt and seasoning cube. I have ogiri, and here I have diced cow skin. Here I have goat's meat and shaki, goat meat shaki. So that's the protein I'm going to use for today's soup. And here I have hot leaf ozuza. This gives a lot of flavor to oha soup. Don't skip this vegetable while making oha soup. I have fresh pepper here. So firstly, we are going to start by steaming the meat, which is the goat's meat. I will go ahead and season it with seasoning cube and salt. I don't like adding onions in my oha soup, so you can add to yours if you prefer. So after seasoning them, I will add little water and cover it to cook. When it has cooked a little, I don't want it to get so soft, I added the stockfish. I added the pomo and the banla fish. So after I added enough water for the soup, stir them in very well. I added the cocoyam ede that I showed earlier. I've cooked it and blended it. So this is going to serve as a thickener for this soup. If you don't like ede, you can use ache or ofo. All of them are thickeners you can use to make soup. So after the ede, I added my palm oil. After which I cover it to boil. So after it must have boiled a little bit, I proceed in adding crayfish, fresh pepper, and ogiri. Ogiri is a seasoning for oha soup. It gives it a lot of flavor, very nice flavor. If you are making oha soup without ogiri, something will be missing. Then I followed by adding the dried fish, and I seasoned it with seasoning cube and salt. After which I gave it a very quick stir and cover it to cook properly. Please, I want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and share this video. I beg you. So I just opened it to check, and the soup is almost done. So the last thing going in is the vegetables, which is the hot leaf and the OHA. The soup is almost done. So after adding the OHA leaf, after adding it, I gave it a very good stir, and the soup will be ready in 2 minutes. I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please give your girl a thumbs up, a very huge thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, please, and share the video, please. Thank you as you do so. The aroma of this soup is, oh my goodness. So after which I cover it to simmer for 2 minutes, which I mentioned earlier. So it is 2 minutes already, and the soup is ready. Can you see that? This looks so beautiful and it tasted so nice. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming back. And to all my returning subscribers, a huge thumbs up to you. I'm so grateful. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. And this brings us to the end of this video. I will see you in another one. Thank you and bye-bye.